A differentiation, just get something that makes sense to you, just to remind you of what you're doing. So something like that, where you remember, okay, I am multiplying the terms and then I'm taking one away from the power. So just remember what you're doing. Likewise, if you're integrating, if you're going back the way, you'd be saying, oh, I'm integrating, then I'm adding one onto the power and dividing by the new power, just to remind you what you're doing. All right, so each time, have a think about that. And the first thing I've got to do is just write this. So it's a differentiable form. So the root there means a half. Don't forget, if we've got something like x to the 3 over 4, that's the same as x to the 4 over 3. I always just think this little number comes round and the one on top is always the same. And in this case, the root is a 2. We don't write the 2 because we're lazy mathematicians. So yeah, if you weren't sure about the 2, that's why, because we're lazy. But there is a little 2 in there. So that's in its differential form. So now we're just going to apply that rule I said. So we're going to multiply the terms and then take one away. Multiply the terms and take one away. And I'll just write that nice and neat as if I was going to substitute something in, just in case we had to, and just to show you. But I don't think you have to do that. I think you get your marks for this. So multiply the terms, take one away. It sounds simple, sounds obvious, but in the exam, it's very easy to make silly mistakes. So just be careful with that. And yeah, you don't have to write it like this, but you get a mark for this bit here. You get a mark for starting to differentiate and a mark for finishing your differentiation. So a nice little 3 marks there. Yeah.